Hi, this is MT Motors. This is Toyota Corolla Verso 2009. Car came here with heavy misfiring, and we checked it. There's nothing wrong, but the car converter. So the cut is there. We remove it. You can only take it off from here. And before you can do that, you need to remove the whole wiper arm. This is the wiper. Module needs to come off. Remove all the panels from here so you can get access to the car converter. It's a manifold converter, so you need to remove the exhaust manifold. It comes with it. And then lift it up, disconnect those two bolts before you can be able to do that. After this, the car is going to run smoothly because there will be no misfiring. And if you have anything like that need doing, you know where we are. Give us a call. All is done. Here you are. All right, or drop us a text. If you have any comment, give us a call. Thank you.